Hey everybody, Ryan Daly coming at you again with another Super Data Brothers video. Today's topic, how to see the SQL in a Cognos Analytics dashboard. Let's check it out. So I've got my dashboard open and say I want to see the SQL underlying this visualization. All I need to do is click on it and then hit Control period. That will slide out the serviceability menu and give you access to a lot of very interesting data points about how this visualization is being rendered. For example, you can see the specification tied to this visualization. You can get good information about the data source that's feeding it. If you look down here, I've got performance information broken into two sections. Server query is the amount of time it takes Cognos to provide the results set to your browser. Total is the amount of time it takes your browser to receive those result sets and then render them. So it gives you both of those, very helpful for debugging. If you want, you can click this button and see those statistics for every visualization on the screen at once. I really love this feature. But if I want to see the SQL driving this visualization, all I do is expand the query section, turn on Fetch Query, and then click the Show SQL.mdx button. This will give me access to the Cognos SQL and the native SQL. It's just that easy to find. All you have to do is know to hit Control period, and you can get it. I hope this was a useful tip for you. If it was, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, and we'll see you again on the next episode of Super Data Brothers. Take care.